we just broke the story. I think Vishnu Shom is joining us live on this. Vishnu, of course, the details will emerge a little later, but for the benefit of our viewers, just explain to us when was the last DGMO talks and how crucial are these, hotline conversations?
Well, these hotline conversations are absolutely important. While there has been some sort of contact which is open between the missions, the Pakistani embassy or High Commission over here and the Indian embassy over there, etc. It's the Director General of Military Operations and his Pakistani counterpart who have that hotline which is always open. So when India went in with our strikes after the Pahalgam terror attack, our Director General of Military Operations called up the Pakistanis and said that, look, we don't want to escalate further. They were rebuffed at that stage. But then as a result of India's persistent military operations in targeting several Pakistani air bases, their Director General of Military Operations called us up and said, look, let's get into a ceasefire situation. And then that ceasefire situation, apart from the first day, has by and large held. There was supposed to be a review of the ceasefire situation today. Presumably that has taken place. The conversation between the Pakistani and the Indian DGMO has taken place. But we've been told to wait until there is some sort of a statement, some sort of clarity on what exactly has emerged in these talks.
All right, Vishnu, thank you so much. In fact, our reporters who have been reporting from the front line continue to get us reports from the ground of near normalcy, but also a sense of hope that this is how things will remain. Here's another ground report.
We have been traveling in various border villages, and right now we have come to one of the villages in border area that is only 3 kilometers away from that international border. We will talk to these peoples who show that there is total normalcy, and we will talk to the leaders who have come here. So BJP leader is with us. So sir, we have been seeing that you have been roaming from one village to another village. Finally, you have come to another village. Have you seen that the people are totally peaceful? There is total normal life.
Your question is quite right. At the moment, earlier there was a great panic. But now we are sitting in Jalalabad constituency, which is again a border area, and a village called Tandiya Kadeem. So ਅਸੀਂ ਉੱਥੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਇੱਥੋਂ border ਹੈ ਇਹ 1.5-2 kilometer ਹੀ ਹੈ. We are from the international border. But today people are very, very in upbeat mood, and their morale is very high. Because उनको ये भी मालूम हो गया कि जो सीज़ फायर हो रहा है ये पाकिस्तान की रिक्वेस्ट से हो रहा है. हमारे डायरेक्टर जनरल जो ऑपरेशंस हैं आर्मी के, उनसे बात हुई. आज 12 बजे की मीटिंग थी, उसका भी रिज़ल्ट आ रहा है. लेकिन मोदी साहब की वन थिंग वाज वेरी वेरी क्लियर. उन्होंने ही सेड कि भी ही कैन कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ एनी अदर थिंग बट कैन नॉट कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ ऑन पाकिस्तान्स एटीट्यूड to train the terrorism, to give them the funding, to train them and then send them to India कि जहाँ हमारा अमन चैन भाईचारा वो खराब करें.
अब देख रहे हैं airports have been resumed, all the services have been resumed. So here the people, they have already migrated from a border area to the safer places. Have they come back?
Of course they are very much back. बहुत कम families थी जो गए हैं, लेकिन ज़्यादा हमारे लोग जो हैं वो बॉर्डर पे जो रहने वाले हैं, दे ऑलवेज स्टे एट द बॉर्डर. वेदर इट वाज, आई रिमेंबर आई वाज वेरी स्मॉल व्हेन 1965 वॉर वाज देयर, देन 71 वॉर वाज देयर, एंड नाउ मेरे साथ ये मुजाहिदिया जी हैं और इधर राना हमारे यूथ लीडर हैं, हमारे मंडल के प्रधान भी हैं, बहुत से लोग मेरे साथ आए हुए हैं. और जो भी बॉर्डर के गाँव हैं ना, वहाँ से बहुत कम लोग माइग्रेट किए थे, लेकिन जो किए थे वो वापस आ गए. उनकी मजबूरी थी, कुछ बच्चे छोटे होते हैं, कुछ उनकी घर की मजबूरियां होती, इसलिए उन्हें जाना पड़ा, लेकिन दे आर बैक टू देयर हाउसेस.